Hello everyone, Miss Rose is here again, known by her students as the Story Mistress. Yes, the Story Mistress. Today we are not here to tell stories, sorry. We are here to talk about how to answer comprehension question because I see that most students find it very difficult to answer comprehension questions, especially when it comes to inferential questions. With literal, they find it a little easy to answer. But when it comes to inferential questions, I feel they find it a little challenging to answer them. So today we are going to look at how to answer comprehension questions so that we all enjoy our comprehension and we don't have a problem when it comes to comprehension. So when we talk of comprehension questions, mostly they come in two folds. It's either the question, the answer will be literal or the answer will be inferential. When we talk of literal answer, it means the answer is directly stated in the text. But when you talk of inferential answer, it means the answer is not directly stated in the text. You need to read the text very well, then read around the text, then use your own vocabulary to come up with the answer. But with literal, the answer is just there. Let's say they can say in the test that coffee is awesome. Then they ask you a question. Who is awesome? Then automatically you go for coffee. Yeah. So the answer is just there. But with literal, you need to read very well and understand what they are talking about, then come up with your own vocabulary to answer the question, which is very challenging. So let's look at when we talk of inferential questions, what goes in. So to answer a comprehension question, one, when you have the test, read the test very well, or a passage, read it very well. Let's say one or twice. After reading it very well, don't waste my time. Go to the questions. If it's question one, go and underline the keywords that you see in question one that you think will help you to answer the question. Especially like what I said right now, Kofi is awesome. Then we ask you a question, who is awesome? So the keyword here is awesome. When you talk of a keyword or a technical word, it's not like something like technological word, like when it goes to science or something, no. But we mean the term that is related to the passage that will help you to do that. So with this one, we will take awesome to be our keyword or technical word related to what we are doing right now. So you underline the keyword in the question, not the passage, in the question. Then after that, carry the keyword from the question to the passage and go and read or look around, go through the text one after the other to see whether you can find that keyword in the text. If you can find that keyword in the text, underline that keyword in the text as well. Then read around that keywords. If it has like 10 keywords, read around those keywords. And you see that if the answer is literal, you see that it's directly stated there. So let's say Kofi is awesome is in the text. Then the question says, who is awesome? Underline the keyword awesome. Take awesome to the test. If you have 10 awesome in the test, underline all the awesome. Then read around the awesome and see which one is talking about Kofi. Then, which means the answer is directly stated there. You get it. But let's say question two is inferential. The answer is not directly stated in the test. We still underline the keywords in the question as well. So after underlining the keywords in the question, take the keywords to the text or the passage. After taking the keywords there, try and see whether you can see the keywords in the passage. Sometimes you may not see the keywords directly there, but you may see the synonym there. So let's say the question talk about happy. Maybe the text can talk about excited or excited. So it's the same. Happy and excited, they are synonymous. So you could either see the main word there or you could see the synonym there. Underline the synonym or the keyword in the text. Then read around. Since it's inferential, like I said earlier on, the question will not be there, the answer will not be directly stated in the text, but read around. After reading around the keywords, whichever you think it suits best to that one, try and understand it. Then use your own vocabulary to answer it the way you understand it. That's all, and you're good to go. Don't do much, don't think a lot, don't overthink. Just use the strategy, and you're good to go. Bye. We will end here.